Okay, this video goes over Chapter 8, the facility location problems. The two problems out of the book were a center of gravity problem as well as a multi-objective. So problem 9 is a multi-objective attempt at determining the best location. We have 3 potential sites. We have decided that we're going to evaluate based on these 6 criteria. Someone has decided what's the most important ones. This is the weight. These have to total to 100. And then when you come up with a score, these scores have to be an apples-to-apples comparison. So these have to, you can see these are on a scale from 0 to 100. So they've been standardized. And each store gets a score for each of the 6 locations, and then we use a sum product formula to come up with a weighted average. And in this particular case, it looks like store A is the best one. Problem 13 is the center of gravity, where we have 5 places that we have to source, and we have to decide what the greenfield source of supply. By greenfield, I mean if we could put it anywhere, we don't have to worry about if it's in a city, if it's the middle of the ocean, just where is the best place. If we could pick the ideal place from a that takes into account distance and the amount that needs to be shipped. So we've got our coordinates. These are like longitude, latitude. You can certainly use longitude, latitude in your problem, or this could be data, and then this is the amount that has to be shipped to those. So the formula, the center of gravity formula that we use is sum product, where you take the sum product of your coordinates against the volume divided by the total volume. And that will give you your coordinates, and that's the big circle here is the source of supply. If this coordinate would be the ideal place. In reality, what you do is this is how you start, and then you kind of move it. You move it to a city or some place that's close to this. And so depending on the scale, you might stay within the state, but move it to a better city. There's obviously all kinds of other reasons that go into in this. Proximity to a good technical school, or labor rates, or tax opportunities that maybe a governing entity may want to provide. But this is a good starting point. Thanks.